Portable, easily and comfortably groom unwanted ear and nose hair anytime, anywhere. Detail trimmer, refines and styles tricky areas like under the nose, sideburns and beards. Battery-powered, requires 1 AA battery not included. Washable heads, run under water for easy cleaning. Style and detail your sideburns, beards. Our trimmer also works as a tool to style your sideburns and beard to provide greater detail to your look. Rust-proof stainless steel blades. The stainless steel design is rust-proof and allows for you to easily clean the heads of your trimmer after being used. It's also waterproof, perfect for wet or dry use whether after a shower or during the course of the day. Great for on-the-go travel. Lightweight and portable, you can take our trimmer on the go for vacations, business trips, etc. For quality trimming anytime, anyplace. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. For the low price I paid for this product, I am overly impressed. I almost bought another brand that was much more and I am so glad I didn't. My boyfriend loves this and has been getting a lot of use out of it. The attachments work great and it is easy to use. Highly recommend.